Go.
Hello, people. It's here on the road.
Son, where the fuck is it? Blind you. Alright, sorry.
So, yeah.
Right now. Are you?
Yep.
Ow. Alright. I'm gonna bomb this hill real fast, and I'm gonna give you a first person of what a hill bomb looks like. Here's the first part of the hill bomb. It's going up the fucking hill. Hate this part. Oh, it's zoomed in. Sorry. Alright, here, let me finish the hill. I'm gonna bomb this hill real fast. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. There's rocks and I don't like them very much.